ఉయ్యాల చదువమ్మా జింపాల సర్కారు బడిలోనే చదువుకోవాలా.
Hi, good morning to Varandar. My name is Kirti Priya. I am studying second class at MPP Svennavada, Kurmandal. Today, celebrating my mega parents meeting. My parents are the most precious gift of God to me. They are my first teachers, and I will be ever grateful to them for teaching me how to speak, walk, eat, and learn. My parents always encourage me to study well and learn new things. I love my parents very much and always pray to the God to keep them hale and hearty and wish them a long and prosperous